it's Miss Michelle here coming to you with another awesome book. That's right, you guys, I have Mr. Brown, Can You Moo? A book from Dr. Seuss. Okay. Mr. Brown, Can You Moo? Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can moo moo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can go like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz buzz? He can go like a cork. Pop, pop, pop. He can go like horse feet. Clop, clop, clop. He can go eek, 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 like a squeaky shoe. He can go like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. He can go like an owl. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Eek, eek, eek. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Hoo, hoo, hoo. How about you? He can go like the rain. Dibble, dibble, pop, pop. Dibble, 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 dop, dop, dop. He can go like a train. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo, buzz, buzz, pop, pop. Eek, eek, hoo, hoo. Clop, clop, clop. Dibble, dibble, dop, dop. Clock, cock, doodle, doodle, doo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? Mr. Brown can whisper, 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 very soft and very high, like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. He can go like a horn, blurp, 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 blur, like a big cat drinking, slurp, 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 slurp. He can go like a clock, tick, tick. He can go talk. He can go like a hand on a door, knock, 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 tick, tock, knock, knock, knock. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Blurp, blurp. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Knock, knock, and hoo, hoo. He can even sizzle, sizzle. He can do that too, like an egg in a frying pan. How about you? This is a very fun book, isn't it? Mr. Brown is smart, smart as they can come. He can do a hippopotamus, even chewing gum. Grum, 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 grum. Mr. Brown is so smart, he can even do this. He can even make a noise like a goldfish kiss. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom, 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 boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes lightning. Splat, 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 splat. And is very, very hard to make a noise like that. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo, buzz, buzz. Pop, pop. Eek, eek. Hoo, hoo. Clop, clop. Dibble, dibble, dop, dop. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Grum, grum. Choo, choo. Boom, boom. Splat, splat. Tick, tick. Sizzle, sizzle. Blurp, blurp. Knock, knock. And slurp, slurp. And whisper, whisper. And fish kiss too. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? Oh my gosh, you guys, this was such a fun book. I love Dr. Seuss books. How about you guys? I think I'm going to start reading more Dr. Seuss books. Wouldn't you guys like that? I sure loved it, you guys. Okay, all my friends. I hope you guys are having a great summer. I miss you all. I love you all so much. Have a great day, my friend.